Friends, I would like to say how much your kind words have touched me. I never felt that this work would get much attention, but that it has caught the attention of a handful of people that love spirit, that love seeing the flow of energy, and love following its course onto new and beautiful horizons is a blessing. However, life changes come, as we all know. Old things get replaced with new, and who can say what follows when that new space is opened? Here, I must say that the journey has brought so many experiences, hard and wondrous as well. The pendulum was taken up so long ago, not feeling much then. And then another time when the red moon shone as an awe-inspiring emblem in the sky. Spirit connection first opened. Questions were answered with it. Spirit forms came, attached to it, and hung heavy. We were not knowing what it was. What is this heavy feeling? It feels alive with energy, and what became apparent was a spirit was attempting to speak, to give a story of where they came from, to voice the soul experiences that were there, what aches, pains, dramas still remained caught within the field of energy, as well as voicing of beautiful messages from Mother Nature, and messages from souls that have entered peace and stillness. Such a surprise to have this come. Crystal clear visions with wondrous stories of each soul, like fine cloth woven with detail. Each color of thread seen and voiced flowing outwards for those on the earth plane to hear. But time passed, the full moon waned, and these colorful happenings began to fade, running like watercolors in the river of grace. And time ran too through the hourglass, it ran. Next came this opening, where, when the pendulum was picked up, it began to come alive, connecting to things, pointing to things, bringing stories of grace about each and every energetic bit of life. From a small dried leaf to a stretching land, from the angels to the darker things, and from ordinary souls like you and me, who are just here for a time living day to day, with all the experiences that rise and fall, the changes that come like seasons in our lives, in our minds, in our connections, changes in body too. Wearing away of the instrument that is strung together with bones, heart, blood and all, and passing one day, as the spirit goes onward to another realm, another reality, another horizon with all its potentialities. This is how it came this time with the pendulum. But like all things in heaven and on earth, changes come, and things are not held to and do not dance with the same song anymore. That song once hit those notes just right and played easily in the windy air. Here it is now, dear ones, listen. Here it is now gone, like the sunset over the mountains. So glad that some stopped to listen a while, Stop to sit on the seat of life and breathe it in. And with it, possibly breathed in a bit of newness, openness, and possibilities. So very glad of it. And you know, here, I have not touched the pendulum again. It feels natural. Just like when I first held it and it danced in the air like a bubble. Follow me. There is something wondrous to come here if you follow along. And follow, this is what happened. However, letting it go feels this way too. The same feeling, the same rightness about it, the same timing that opens and closes of itself. This is right now. And to those ones missing that are not able to voice their thoughts, to those ones that may be next to encounter a tragedy or a hardship of violence, your voice is not lost, friend. Nothing ever is that speaks of beauty, truth, love, human experience that is common to all. Loss, gain, all of it. It is there always. And two, the messages that flowed are common to all. Indeed they are. We are not going to be boxed in by small thinking ways. We are so much more than this, so much more. Nothing will keep us from blooming like the great souls that we are, if we stay open, sincere, filled with heart, faith, and all that is good. And not even death will stop the spirit from blooming to its full potential. Now, to those that are listening, thank you. Thank you for being here, and may you be well. May you always feel that ever-present spirit that lives in all. It is definitely not an ending, but a new beginning. Look forward to seeing you all soon. Maha Shanti Om. Great peace to all.